Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about the story of a man who was homeless when he joined Livegood and is now making $100K per month, and this in the space of just 5 months. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Tim Miller, who is now 55-year-old, has been through the hardest times of his life. 3 years ago, he was very ill and had to have a surgery. Unfortunately, he lost the ability to walk after the surgery, and he now uses a wheelchair. After joining Livegood at the end of last year, he was able to turn his life around. For those who are not familiar with Livegood, Livegood is a club membership that specializes in high-quality health supplements. Livegood is one of the first network marketing companies to adopt the concept of subscription, which allows members to have recurring income without having to buy or sell products. So if you have not done it yet, I recommend you click the link below this video to join Livegood. Now I want you to listen to Tim Miller himself tell the story of how he went from homeless to $100K per month in 5 months.
Here we go. Folks, I want you to hear me and hear me. I want everybody to hear me right now. You're listening to a recording, listen to what I'm going to tell you. We're not talking 2 years ago. I was in a homeless shelter on October the 28th of last year, 5 months ago. I had absolutely nothing. Not years ago, 5 months ago. I'm living at my sister's house, and Ben turns on the system on December the 13th. We went to work. Take the free tour, take the free tour, take the free tour. People started joining. Many people didn't. It was a crazy experience because we were getting beat up all over the internet. The company's never going to last. The company's illegal. The company's a Ponzi scheme. They can't pay out on memberships. They're using white label products. Ben Glentz is not going to sell. He's going to sell the company. He's not going to be around for the long term. And basically, Tim Miller, you suck. Okay. But we kept going. Keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. Some came aboard, some didn't. But guess what? This company changed my life. You see, when we launched this thing on December the 13th, the next thing I know, I'm starting to get these weekly checks. They started out averaging about $1,000 a week. Now I go from homeless to $1,000 a week the first couple of weeks, because mind you, there's no matrix money. There's no matrix money. You don't get paid on the matrix to the second month anyways. There's no generational matches. None of that stuff, guys. None of it. All we had was, I understood that I get 25. Now remember, I have nothing, but I can get $25 on every person I enroll, and I get 9 levels of pay on fast starts. Focus on the focus, Tim. Focus on the focus. I'm not in the best situation. My sister goes to sleep at 9 o'clock at night, cuts off the lights, and I can't have the TV. I'm going crazy because that's not how I live my life. But I have to live by her rules. I'm in her house. I'm a grown man. I'll be 55 this year. But you know what? I would get on that cell phone when that TV got cut off and them lights went out. And I'd be on that cell phone the rest of the night, take the free tour, post it on Facebook. Some of you have been following me a long time. You saw my post, see my post. And you know what? Those checks started coming. First week, $1,000. Next week, $1,000. Got our first residual check. It was about $900. But guess what? I made just enough to move out my sister's house. That was the best feeling in the world. And I literally moved into an extended stay hotel. But I was no longer under her roof. I was on my own. I can eat DoorDash. I can do whatever I have to do. All I need is this Android phone and internet connection. Leave me alone. Get out my way. Take the free tour. Posting, 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 posting. For the last 4 months, folks, I have been living in an extended stay hotel. Right now, as I talk to each and every one of you, I am in an extended stay hotel. Now, the goal is to be out of here in the 1st of June. But let me tell you what's happened in 4 months. I've gone from literally homeless to my sister's house to living in an extended hotel And Ben said it on the call yesterday. I'm approaching $100,000 a month. That's $1.2 million per year. And we're only 5 months old. Understand why I don't listen to excuses. I mean, there's just no excuse, guys, if you really understand. But yeah, the first time I ran in this industry, I did it to just try to prove a point to my dad, who, I come from a very educated background. PhDs was the thing in my household, and I'm the high school dropout, and I was playing around in this industry, and I just wanted to prove a point that it actually works, and that was my why back then. My second run was really for the money, okay? And made a lot of money in this industry, buying stupid toys, making stupid decisions, just doing stupid stuff. And some of you have been on my journey. Some of you guys have been with me 15, 20 years. You know the deal. I've had all the toys, and this time it's different. It's special. And the reason is I like disruption, and Ben knows that. It's me against the world. I've been in this industry so long. I've seen the crooked stuff. I've seen the shadiness. I've seen the backdoor deals. I've seen the binary hookups. I've seen it all, guys. And it just blows my mind that this company is actually exposing leadership. I wanted to share something with you guys, and I'll turn it back to Ben real quick. But the biggest thing he said on this call, guys, it's not about me. It's about you guys. And when he says over 1,000 bronzes, let me just, you guys really don't understand. Over 15% in 4 weeks of the people in this company have rank advanced. You guys really have no idea how big that is. That is huge. Yes, we are going to crush every company in this industry. But before I jumped on here, I did something. I went to one of the companies that I played around with while I was waiting on Ben to get back in the game. And I pulled up their rep earnings statement. Now, this company's an old company. I was with that company. But they have a rep earnings statement. I pulled up the actual numbers, guys, because numbers don't lie. People lie. Marketers lie. Leaders lie. Numbers, statistics don't lie. Check this out. In this company, out of the entire company, we're talking to companies over 6, 7 years old, okay? 1.6% of the distributors are consultants. That means listen to this, 1.6% have gathered one customer.
Yup.
Executive level, 3.5. That's our bronze. Get 2. 3.5% of the entire company has reached 2 people. We have over 1,000 have done it here in 4 weeks. Over 15%, guys. Stay with me. It gets crazier. Bronze, 2.73. Silver, 1%. Then you get to gold, which is probably averaging $300 a month. 0.7% of the entire company, sapphire 0.82%, pearl 0.67%, emerald 0.5%, and the top rank 0.25%, which means one person that probably got the hookup. There's probably the master distributor. But sum this all up, 87% of the company, of all their distributors that are online posting, that are hyping you up, pumping you up, you see them at the convention, 87% of the entire company has done absolutely nothing, has not duplicated, aren't making a dime, but every month, I guarantee you, they're getting hit with something called an auto ship. This industry is broken, people. Listen to me. This industry is broken. It has to be fixed, and we're here to change it.
Yes.
Of each and every one of us to teach, to help to get to, and then just keep repeating that. And one day you'll be on this call, and then I'll be recognizing you. But no excuses, guys. We have work to do. I put out a post today. Don't get complacent on these numbers. We are just getting started. This company's 4 weeks old with the new launch? Guys, you guys are sitting at the top of an empire.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.